Hi everyone, welcome back to this series of tenses. So today we will learn, that is today we were supposed to yesterday or our previous video, not yesterday. I have already told you that is next video we will learn the past continuous tense, and also we will start with step by step. Okay. So here I have started this video, and from today we will continue the past continuous tense and we will learn the step by step. So here I don't need to tell the topic because you already know that is our today's topic is past continuous tense, and it's the past part of our today's video. Okay. So in this today's video, as we did our previous sentences, we have learned that is present simple, present continuous, past simple, and also we have compared to each other tenses. Okay, so by this, as you learned the previous tenses, and I hope that if you will also keep learning the past continuous tense. Okay, so no more talking, let's get started and stay tuned with me like this. Then the more will you learn, the more you can speak. Okay, so practice makes a man perfect. Okay, so we can start. So as we know that the students, our topic is past continuous tense, and first of all, today our main task is to overview the tense. Okay, to overview the tense. So first of all, we have to understand the past simple. Okay, even though we know the past simple, by comparing past simple and past continuous a little bit, then you can understand the tasks of past continuous, or you can say past progressive. You can call both. Okay, so we first of all we can see that is here I have written that is past simple and past continuous. So as we know, so you don't need to watch the board. So so be attentive, pay attention what I am saying, and look at me. Okay, so first of all, as we know, that is past simple means that is something happened at a specific point of the time. Something happened in a fixed time that the person did his or her tasks on that time. So that time is what? Suitable and fixed time, right time. Okay? And if I talk about the past continuous, so it will be something continued a period of time, during a period. Something continued during a period of a time and which emphasizes the situation. Okay? So I have already told you. So here, so if you see the timeline, then you can understand what I'm telling to you. So here, I have written this timeline to make you understand. Okay, so before understanding the timeline, here I have written this, that is, I play. It's in the past simple, as we know. Okay, so it's in the past simple. It's in the past simple, that is I play. Okay, so I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry for this because I did a tiny mistake. So it will be that is I played. Okay, so I played. So it will be that is I played. Now I admit my mistake. So there isn't any mistake of this. So we have already understood. So I played, and it will be in past continuous. It will be that is I was playing. I played, I was playing. Same here. So first of all, we have to understand the timeline here. And what's the timeline? So here we can see that is the timeline that is now. I have written this now. So imagine that is in this time. Now indicates that is in the evening. It's 8 o'clock and 8 o'clock in the evening. Okay. So here, it indicates now. And if I talk about this, that is by this, before this, I mean that is before this, that is 5 p.m. I have written the time, that is 9 a.m. and before 9 a.m. I have written this 5 p.m. Okay, so if I compare this both, that is from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., then it will be the past continuous. Okay, how? So let me give you an explanation, a basic explanation, then you can understand. Why? Because if I talk about this, so you don't need to observe that is now. I have already told you that is if you learn the present simple, then you have to concentrate it. But as we know, past always reflects the past. Okay, so just watch it. Okay, so just drop it, drop it in your mind. Okay, so here we are watching, that is here if we talk about this, that is these times, that is a specific point, that is 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. So if I talk about that is, if I indicate that is 9 a.m., I can say that is I can say with another verb. Okay, so I was playing, not playing, sorry, I have to say it in the past simple, so it will be that is I played what on the time at 9 a.m. Okay, which reflects the 9 a.m. So I played, it's a word, it's a verb, so which reflects in 9 a.m. So which also indicates the past simple. That's why I have written both of these PS, which indicates past simple. And if I same here, if I talk that is 5 p.m., I can say with another verb, I finished playing at 5 p.m. Same like here. I hope that is you have understood. But if I talk that is these two actions, what? So something happened. Something happened at a specific point of time. Okay, so 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. are the specific points of times. Okay, so you did that. It's a fixed time. Okay, that happened in the past, as you know. So that's why is it called past simple. But if we talk about the past continuous tense or past progressive tense, then it will be, I want to tell you that is from 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. From 9 a.m. and to 5 p.m. it will be your past continuous. Why? I can give you an example to explore more many things. So I can say that is I was playing from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can understand. So that is some action has happened. So it indicates that is continued during of a period of time. Okay, so I have started playing 9 a.m. and I have finished that is 5 p.m. So which indicates another actions or but some actions happen in the past. So it indicates a point of time. But if I say that is I was playing from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, so which reflects what? Which reflects that is a period of time. Okay, so you were doing on that time. Okay, so you have just started your tasks on that time and you finished your tasks another time. Okay, so which reflects what? The continuous tense. So something is being happened in the past. Okay, something is continuing in the past and it's finished in the past. So which is called what? Past continuous tense. So we have already understood. So same here, I was playing. So let's see the forms of past continuous. Okay, we know the form of the past simple, that is I play. Now we will learn the forms of past continuous. We'll just overview it. So first of all, we are watching, that is here we can say that is during the past continuous, what do we need to do? We have to just put the subject, then we need to use the past form of the verb, that is to be verb. Okay, it's in the past form, that is was or were. Then you have to what? You have to put the base form of the verb and then at the ing. Same here, so just say with me, just repeat with me, then you can understand. So I can say like this, that is, I was playing, he was playing, she was playing, it was playing, then it was playing, then it changes a little bit. Where? From you. You were playing, they were playing, yes, we were playing, they were playing. Okay, like this. So now we have already understood these forms. So always remember, only I, and without third person singular, we generally use were. Okay, only I and the third person singular, we without this, we generally use were. And if the subject is used, that is another kinds of person's name and third person singular, which is also called and before the to be verb, if it is put I, so on that time, what do we need to do? We have to just put the was. And other things, what do we need to do? We have to just just put the where. Okay, so like this, you were playing, we were playing, they were playing, just plural. Okay, so we're always put just plural, but only you is exceptional, as we know, because you is third second person, that's why where is put. Okay, so I hope that this you have understood by watching this form. So today we have just started the video about past continuous tense to overview it. Okay, so now we have already cleared about this. So I hope that is you have already understood about this section or about this part by watching this. So it's the introduction of past simple tense. So it's the first part, so it's the introduction, so just understand it. So I hope that is you have understood by watching this video. So that's it, and our video is finished. So if you like this video, just like, comment, share, and follow my video as you did the previous tenses. Okay, and stay tuned me with like this, and see you in the next video, everyone. So that's it. Bye for now.